Now, this deadly fight between George Zimmerman, the Neighborhood Watch activist, and the unarmed 17-year-old teenager Trayvon Martin happened on February 26th. And right now, for the first time, we hear from a direct witness in the neighborhood to the fight and gunshot in this dramatic Sanford police audio interview.
There was a black man with a black hoodie on top of either a white guy or, now that I found out, I think it was a Hispanic guy with a red sweatshirt on the ground, yelling out help. And then, I tried to tell him, get out of here, stop or whatever. And then the one guy on top in the black hoodie was pretty much just throwing down blows on the guy, kind of MMA style.
Ground and pound, okay?
Yeah, like a ground and pound on the concrete at this point. So at this point, I told him I was calling 911. I locked my door, went inside, heard a pop, never heard a gunshot before, so I didn't know if it was a rock or something like that. We ran upstairs. As soon as I got upstairs, I looked down below, and then I saw the guy in the black hoodie pretty much just laid out on the ground.
Another